So what's up people, I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you how do you what how do you use watch command. So watch command is basically used to what represent running sorry so to what to use to repeatedly use a specific command at a regular interval and display the output on the terminal. So that is how we use watch command. Let's play with example. Let's say you need to run the date command every 2 seconds. So you need to specify -n2, then you need to specify date. If I click enter, this you can see the seconds is been moving every 2 seconds, not 1 second. See 25 and 27 and 29 and 31. See every 2 seconds the dates will be changing. It will not print, it will be changing. Okay. Let's say you need to monitor changes in the log files. What do you do? So you can use watch and -d. You can specify the command, then you can specify the log files that will be in the var log slash let's say boot.log. Okay, so okay, you need to have a sudo permission. Okay, so now you can see that the log file of boot.log. So it will be used to monitor the changes in the log file. So we can just monitor the file. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's say you need to run df command without displaying the header. How do you do that? So watch and -t, then df -h, that will be human readable. So this will display the df without displaying the header. Okay, now let's say that you need to monitor a log file with the colorful differences, like colored differences. How do you do that? So watch and -c -d, then tail command, then var command, then the logs and boot.logs. Oh sorry, you need a file sudo permission. Okay, so this will basically display in a color format, but you can't see, but this will obviously display in the color format. Okay, let's say that you are doing ls command, but you need to beep that process until it finished. Sorry, beep when the process finished. Okay, so what you do, watch and -b and ls command. So this will basically beep when the process is finished. So process is finished, then it is beeping. You can see here it is beeping, it is waiting. Okay, let's close this. Let's say there is one website. You will do ping so that you can see the connection between if my system is connected to that website. Let's say that if my system is connected to that website, it should be active. If not, the watch command should stop. Watch, then -e, then you specify the ping, then /c and 1 and google.com. So if this google.com was not working, then this watch command was automatically terminated. Okay, let's say that if there are no changes in the output, like how do you do that? Watch -ls. So this will basically exit watch if there is no changes in the output. Okay, so you can also use man page to view the watch command. You can use my -d -n, then you can just play with this. I showed you the color if you need color. Okay, so then you can check the version also. Version, that is 3.3.17. Okay, so that is all guys. That is how we use watch command. Thank you for watching.